In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion habit tracker using Notion buttons. We'll start inside Notion in a workspace that already has the Goals Tracker template installed. First, open the page called Goals Tracker and make sure you're in the All Goals view. This view is useful because it shows every goal in one place, which is exactly what we want for a flexible habit tracker. On the main Goals page, you might see some introductory text about aligning objectives and tracking progress. Click into that main section so you're fully inside the database page, and then switch to the All Goals view at the top. If you see any sorting or grouping options, choose the option that makes the most sense for you, such as grouping by status. This will help you later when you're tracking habits as not started, in progress, or done. Next, we'll set up the visual look of the habit tracker page. At the top of the page, click Add Cover. This gives your habit tracker a clear, recognizable header, which is helpful if you're using it every day. You can choose any cover image you like. It won't affect the functionality, it just makes the page easier to spot and a bit more motivating to use. Now we're going to add the Notion button that will actually power your habit tracking. Click into an empty area of the page and open the block menu, then select Button. If needed, you can add a cover again so the button sits nicely below your page header. Once the button is created, click on it and choose Edit Automation. This is where the magic happens. In the Automation Editor, add a new action and choose Edit Property. From the list of properties, select Status. This means that whenever you press the button, it will automatically change the status of the related habit item. Set the value you want, then click Done, and finally Save to confirm the automation. After saving, you can return to the page and customize the button appearance or label so it clearly represents your habit, like Mark Habit as Done. You can then repeat this process to add more buttons, additional covers, and status options such as Not Started and Done for different habits. Each button can be tied to the status property in slightly different ways, giving you a quick one-click way to log progress. At this point, your Notion habit tracker is ready. You have a clear goals page, helpful visuals, and a set of buttons that update your habit statuses automatically.